Hey, what's up, everybody? Got the Highway Forever project here. This is my favorite truck that I've been working on for the last couple of years, hooking up. And if you've been following me, there was a question about me pulling the trigger on a particular project that I wanted to do on this truck. And the item finally came in today. I was really scared how it was going to get delivered. This box is how it came and had one little sticker on it, fragile, and it came with no styrofoam whatsoever. But you know what? I got lucky because it came unharmed. You're saying, like, okay, what's inside the box? All right. So I just set it up on the truck so you can see what it looks like. There you go. Boom! The Daytona style rear spoiler. Now it's going to work. The style of this is going to work for this truck the way that I got it hooked up. Can't say it's going to work for all trucks, but the spoiler itself doesn't sell for a second generation Dodge Ram. I'm going to show you the chart in a little while of the different measurements between the second generation, third and fourth generation Dodge Rams, and the difference was only a ½ inch. So I was happy to hear about that because I was getting ready to pay over $600 to have one shipped to me, and I just went ahead and paid only $200 for this one. I'll give you the information after the video, so if you're interested in getting it yourself. Now it's going to require a little bit of shaving because if you can see, I'm not worried about the flushness of this, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the belt grinder and I'm going to shave the contour. So I'm going to make it like this. That way it will set in there. Same thing on this side. Just going to do the contour like this all the way down so they can fit on there. And then I'm gonna paint it white, of course. So what do you guys think, man? Well, I'm gonna show you as soon as I hook this bad boy up. So I think the next video I'm gonna show you is me after I grinded it, so you can see what it looks like, and the process of me mounting it. And then I'll send it to the paint shop, have it painted, and then actually mount it and do a final video on it. All right, guys and girls, be cool.
All right, real quick, let me go over that chart that I mentioned in the video. The top set of numbers is the fourth generation, 2009 to 2013, but that should be to 2018. The third generation is 2002 to 2008, and the second generation is 94 to 2001. But you also have to include the 2002 1200 and 3500, because you know the body style for those two models didn't really change over until 2003. So we need to be concerned with the width, not the length. We can care less if it's a 6-foot bed or 8-foot bed. It's the width. If you look at the far right column, the inside box width is exactly the same for the second, third, and fourth generation. It's the outside box width that the fourth generation deviates from the second and the third generation, and deviates by 1.25 inches. So what I have to do is offset that 1.25 inches by 5/8 on one side and 5/8 on the other side. And the way that I'm going to grind the curvature in the bottom of the spoiler to fall down into the curve of the tonneau cover, the sides are going to be completely flush with the sides of the tonneau cover. You'll see. So stay tuned for the next video. I want to show you how I'm going to do all this, and wish me the best of luck, of course. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. And remember, this is a free YouTube channel. It's free to subscribe, and it helps to support me to do more videos like this with the Dodge Rams. All right. Got any questions, concerns? Again, don't hesitate to ask. If I can answer them, I will. Take it easy.